Totalkare is an organisation focused on providing equipment and services for commercial vehicle workshops. So we're looking to basically provide the solution to anybody who wants to lift, test, maintain, service and keep things running as efficiently as possible.
We're a market leading provider of commercial garage equipment, offering both the supply and after service of the products that we provide. Our customers would generally identify a piece of equipment that we can provide. We'd offer site visits, expert advice, taking them all the way through to the sales process where they order the piece of equipment through a multitude of different channels. And then after that we can offer a market leading service in terms of repair, maintenance, breakdown and training as well.
It's all about being there, not today, not tomorrow, not next year, but in decades time. And it's that trust that the customer has in the brand and in the business that we're there forever.